they look good for a start. They're easy to use. They're pretty versatile. They're not so bulky, so you can fit them around. You can take them camping, barbecues.
Hey folks, it's Ben for Smoking Hot Confessions here. We're at the BBQ and Beer Roadshow in Cleveland. With me right now, I've got Nathan from Sticky Fingers Barbecue, and we're on the countdown to the lamb hand-in. Mate, have you been enjoying the Beer and Barbecue Roadshow so far?
Yeah, mate, it's been really good, really good. We've been pretty lucky with the weather today, and yeah, there's plenty of big crowd in, so yeah, really good experience, and yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah, the crowd's been building throughout the day, so I think they're all getting ready for the bands coming in tonight.
Definitely, yeah. No, it looks like it's pretty chockers in here, so it's ready for a big night, and yeah, it's good.
Yeah, fantastic. So, mate, tell me about Sticky Fingers. How'd you guys get together?
Yeah, mate, so we all work together on a drill rig, and yeah, we've been cooking for about 4 years on site and just at home, and just all got a good passion for barbecue, and yeah, really love it. So all got together as a team just to do a few local comps, and here we are.
So do you manage to time all your shifts on the drill rig so you're all off together so you can practice together, or you? Yeah,
that's right, yeah. So we just get a bit of time. We can hide away from work and get the smoking going for the dinner after work, so it all works out all right.
Beautiful. Now I can see that you're cooking on two different variations of drum smoker here. Why is it that you go for the drums?
That's right, yeah. So the drums, yeah, we just like the finish of the meat when we cook on them, so we like cooking hot and fast. So we've got the Gateway, and we've got the Big Bopper smokers. So yeah, we just like the finish of our meat on doing hot and fast, and the Gateways and the drum smokers the way to go. We find.
Now, Gateways are really taking the barbecue scene by storm at the moment here in Australia. Can you explain to me a bit of the difference between a Gateway and a Big Bopper?
Yep, the Gateway is made in America, and the Big Bopper is just a Australian-made home job. And yeah, pretty much the same difference. We get a good finish on both, but yeah, the Gateway is definitely, they look better. And but yeah, but finish-wise, they're both pretty similar.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
So, do you have any idea sort of why people are so drawn to the Gateway? Like the word that a lot of people use is magic.
Yeah, I reckon. Well, they look good for a start. They're easy to use. They're pretty versatile. They're not so bulky, so you can fit them around. You can take them camping, barbecues, take them around, and yeah, they just sit pretty steady and always get good results with them. All your meat's always nice, never dried out. It holds the heat in really well. So they're really good smokers. Americans have done a good job.
Sounds like good stuff, mate.
Yeah.
So we're talking lamb. We're getting ready for the lamb hand-in. We're on the countdown.
Yep.
Tell me what you're doing for lamb.
Lamb, we got lamb ribs from Tassie, and we've got backstrap as well, where we're going to throw in the box. So yeah, so we're going to cut up the backstrap, and the lamb ribs will be as is, cut up, ready to go. So hopefully they turn out all good.
Any clues you can give me as to how you're doing them, like different spices and things like that?
We just use Cosmos rubs. That's our secret, our American style, and yeah, just Brad King's timber for flavour, and that's about it. Yeah, just let it go, do its own thing. Nice, hot and fast, and can't go wrong with lamb.
Yeah, it's hard to go past Cosmos Q. They do some great stuff.
Definitely, yeah. No, he's got really good selection of sauces and rubs for every sort of meat, and yeah, we've always got the best results with him. So sticking with him, and he's really good.
Now, with regard to the other hand-ins, it's a KCBS competition, so it's a little bit different for most of us here in Queensland because it's the first ever KCBS competition here. What hand-in are you sort of most driving for today?
Oh, definitely the brisket will be the toughest. So yeah, we're looking forward to the brisket. And last year we actually cleaned up on the lamb, so we're pretty confident on our lamb. So yeah, yeah, but brisket will be the good one today, or tomorrow actually. Yeah.
Do you think there'll be much of a difference between how the ABA judges look at brisket and how KCBS judges look at brisket, for example?
I reckon they'll be pretty similar in the results. I think yeah, the meat does all the talking, so I'm sure they'll be all on par hopefully. But hopefully they've got some good judges here today and tomorrow. But,
yeah, well, mate, the meat will certainly do the talking. Look, thanks very much for your time. Like, I know you've got to get ready for this next lamb hand-in, or the first lamb hand-in, so best of luck with it.
No worries, thanks for it, mate. Cheers.